What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Colorful Analysis. In this tutorial, we'll explore the world of body mass index (BMI) and learn how to create a simple Python script to calculate BMI, categorize it, and even visualize the result using the Matplotlib library. So in the case of you are beginner of a Python, that would be help you to get idea how you can run the simple project by Python. To calculate the body mass index, we consider four category of underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obese. Let's look at the formula for BMI is a weight divided by height squared. Let's jump to the Jupyter Notebook. Now at the Jupyter Notebook, please note that we follow the following steps. We should get input of weight and height and convert it to float for numeric calculation. Uh, Provide the formula of a BMI and then define the actually function of categorize BMI for the underweight, normal weight, overweight, obese, and then compare the result with that that categorize and visualize, just simple visualize by bar chart. We need to use Matplotlib. And let's dive into details. Let's import library of Matplotlib for visualization. Matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Good. Now we need that to define the function. So the for function for calculation, first we use hashtag to explain the function. Uh, we need use the def as a definition. We should make a name like a calculate BMI. So two parameters we need to enter, weight and height. For formulation of just BMI, like the formulation we have, weight divided by a square of height, BMI equal weight, okay, by height, power 2, and then return BMI. So that is the function of the BMI. Let's run it. And then we need a definition function for categorize. So function to categorize. Categorize BMI. So again, we can use def, name the function, categorize BMI. So just we need one parameters. So what we say, if BMI less than 8.5, so return underweight. If if actually BMI between 8.5 and 25 would be normal weight. Would like for all the people for normal weight. So in the case of one more if uh, just I copy paste between 25 and 35 will be overweight, so should be more exercise, else worst scenario, obese. More diet. Okay, what's happened? Return is doesn't work. Return obese. Good. Now we should get the input. For the getting input, get user input. So what we need, we should weight and height. We need to get input. Should be convert to the float, the input. So it's better that to say something, enter your weight in kilogram and for the height float input, again enter your height in meters. So far so good, is running. Uh, okay, for example, we've mentioned 60 kg and 160. Then we need to calculate BMI. For calculate, BMI result, what we should say, we should exactly call the function. We bring here, and it has two parameters. So already we have that two parameters. Just we should call this one. Good. So run. And then we should categorize. Categorize BMI, BMI category would be, again, we should call that function now, and BMI result to see that is belong to the which category. Just note that uh, it's very case sensitive, so display result would be like that. We should use a print function. We use the print and then f. Now what we want to do, we want to actually print a string that, for example, your BMI. Now we should print the result. So we use the f a string to format a value to a string. So we should use that format. And your BMI is, and then on the crochet, we should add the result. And for us, two decimal is enough. So we do it 0.2f. That is good. And also we need the same for category. So for the category, we use same concept, and we can say you are categorized as a, and then we should add exactly our variable BMI category. We close the quote, so run it. We are good. Now for the simple bar chart, we should define a default value. And that is for the simple, with the categorize, we default consider that underweight, normal weight, overweight, obese, and the BMI values. Okay, let's update the count of the determined category. We should find the index of that determination. We will define category index, and for that one, actually we need that categories variable to define index of BMI category. Just note that we should have a same format of typing unless Python cannot have a good result. So BMI value get actually for the BMI value get the variable category index, and every time add the one. Now we can plot our bar chart, plotting the bar chart. Now is the time of the plotting the bar chart. We define the colors for the each category. So we should add the categories and the BM value, and add the colors as we wish. Underweight blue and obese red, and we add the title for our BMI results and X label is the BMI category and Y label number of the individual. So far so good. Okay, now all are caught in the one cell. You can merge it easily. Uh, but one thing, normally most people used to use a centimeter. I will change it slightly. Uh, so we need to change the formulation. 8 meters is 8 divided by 100, and that variable we should use as a BMI calculation. Okay, now to test our code, if somebody has 60 kg and 160 centimeters, okay, normal. In the case of another, if somebody 200 kg and with the 160 centimeter, of course, is obese. Thanks for your watching. Until next time, happy analyzing and may your data be as colorful as your imagination.